Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of cache up. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you search about cache and you click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.